Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is my first video I'm making and filming, so it's a bit here and there. Please bear with me. And I'm a little bit nervous too, so yeah, I love creating things and displaying them or showing them to my friends, and I always get questions like, how did you get to come up with such an idea? How did you make it? Can you show me, So I thought, why not record and film everything I do and show you guys so you can try it at home. So basically my channel will be mostly about DIY projects or do-it-yourself projects. So everything I do, you can do it at home. Today we are going to make a geometrical glass object. It's an object made of glass, in short. So first of all, you're going to have to draw the object you need. I'm going to show you what I did. I drew the shapes, as you can see. Yeah. So I have a triangle and I have a square. This triangle measures 8 by 8 centimeters and this square measures 8 centimeters on all the edges. So this is basically all you need to do. You draw, and then after that you get your glass. Now the glass we are using for this project is a 3mm glass. It's the smallest glass there is. You're going to lay your drawing on a straight surface on a table, and then you're going to place your glass on top of your drawing, okay? So that you can cut against your drawing. So after cutting, you'll get your shapes, and then use this tape. This is a copper tape. It's just a normal tape, but it's copper coated. So you just use the tape to cover the edges, okay? The edges all around. So that's all. After you do that, take your cut glass and covered with the copper tape, and cover your copper tape with this liquid. It's called flux. So we move on to soldering. In soldering process, we use a soldering iron. This is just an iron that you use to join two metallic pieces. Yeah. In this case, yes, it's a glass, but remember we've covered it with a copper tape. So that tape is what you're going to use to link with all the other pieces. For you to join the pieces, you need a material like so. This is just a soldering wire, okay? That's what you use to solder. And when you're soldering, guys, this iron gets so hot, and you need to clear the soldering wire residues that remain on the iron. So as you can see, I've used this so many times. Actually, this is my third project that I'm making, and as you can see, it's worn out already. So it gets so burnt and it loses its material. So for you to clean it up, you need a paste, and I'm going to show you. This is the paste I'm talking about. So whenever it gets so hot and you need to clean it, you just dip it into the paste and use a steel wool to clean the residue out. So I imported this, but I think you can get this locally, guys. Okay, so after soldering the materials up, you get this color on the edges of your object. So if you really like this color, there guys who really like silver. So if you like this color, you can let it remain the same, or you can choose to dye it up to black or gold. In my case, and in today's project, we are going to dye it to black. We're going to dye to black. So to dye to black, you need this liquid. It's called black patina. It's used to dye metallic items and metallic materials. I've used just this little in my 2 projects, yeah, so it can take you really long, and you don't have to buy such a big one. There's another smaller one. So guys, that's it. You're ready to make your object in whichever design you have in mind, or from the internet or from Pinterest. You now have an idea of how you can make a glass object, any geometrical glass object, to come into being. Yeah, so by the way, you can use this object for so many ways. Yeah, one, you can just display it as a vase. It really looks nice, you guys. After we make it, you will love it. So another thing you can do with it, you can plant a succulent in it. Another thing you can do with it is you can display your beautiful candles at home. Remember guys, we have 3 objects after making this, so we are going to experiment and get to see how different we can use these objects at home. So guys, please enjoy this video and stay tuned to the end. You're gonna love our object, guys. And please, after making yours, share your item on my social medias that I'm going to link down below. So please guys, subscribe to this channel. It's a young channel, support it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also guys, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, guys. Comment down below on anything, I'm going to comment back.